In this video, we are going to teach you how to set up your bobbin. We simply open this cover, we pull this small hook, which is the latch, we remove our bobbin case, and that's it, it's removed. Now, to install it, if we look at our bobbin case from the front, like this, we place the bobbin this way, clockwise, we pull it counterclockwise, and we place it into the guide. The only guide that the bobbin case has, which would be this one. We follow the guide, we keep following it, and here we place our bobbin. Now, we simply place the bobbin case into the small hook that's here, we pull it, and that's it. We check that the tension is correct. There should be a medium tension in a way that it stops, but not so tight that if you give it small pulls, it doesn't move at all. If you pull it in small increments, it should drop a little. For example, it drops a little, it slowly goes down. It should stay like that. Now we place it back again. And we cut a piece, leaving it a little long. We place our bobbin case facing forward, press it until it clicks. And that's it. Now we simply close the cover, and it's done.